Like, that's the thing. It's like, it wasn't until it is that I thought that I knew me until I had a male version of me with me. It's like I've constantly heard how it is that, like, even going through the healing process by yourself, right? I've heard that you can't truly heal when it comes to relationships and healing, like daddy wounds and all of those kind of like male connecting wounds. You can't really heal them unless you're in relationship. When my husband and I got together, he came to me, and everybody knows this that's on this call. He came to me wanting nothing from me. And this was the first time in my life, it wasn't about what benefit I could be for someone else, but he came to me wanting to be a benefit for me. And he was a beneficial factor because I was in a crazy space at the time. And but it wasn't until it is that I started helping him and supporting him as being his wife and encouraging him to face his own shadows. It wasn't until then that I started to be able to really recognize and identify who I am as Celeste Michelle, as I am as my whole divine feminine self, unfucking apologetic. And it's like no one or nothing. It wasn't until it is that he and I started going through a process of healing that I actually started looking at my mother wounds, because my mother wounds ran deep. And I already knew that I had daddy issues. I already knew that from the rip because of the way that I would just toss men away. Like,